People, welcome back to the channel. This is Birdbeak, and in today's video I'm going to give you more updates on current affairs taking place in the nation and other stuff in the media as well. But before we get into that, please leave a like, comment, subscribe and share the video. It helps the channel a lot and it literally costs you nothing. With that being said, let's get into the video. Now, here we have reports that the Holness administration is locked in a close battle for the third term. The article currently on your screen states that the Holness administration is locked in a close battle for a third term in the government, with the electorate evenly divided on whether they deserve it. 50% of Jamaicans say yes, 50% say no. The result comes just 8 months before the electorate is due to be called to the polls for a general election. Now people, I don't know about you, but 50-50 sounds like very tight odds to me. It seems like the next election can go either way. So share your thoughts in the comments section below. Now, after that post was made, this post was made. PNP bets on Buchanan to unseat Holness in St. Andrew, West Central. The article goes on to further state that KD Knight says the People Nationals Party is banking on former parliamentarian Paul Buchanan to win the St. Andrew West Central seat and send the Member of Parliament and Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness packing. Mr. Buchanan was presented as the constituency caretaker at a party conference on Sunday night. Now people, share your thoughts on that in the comment section below. And now it's time for us to move on to our next topic, and I'm sure you have all seen this one before, but let's just go ahead and read this together. Government targets $1 billion from traffic tickets. The government plans to collect over $1 billion Jamaican dollars from traffic fines in 2025-2026 budget, which was tabled in Parliament on Thursday. According to the estimates of the expenditure, the Ministry of National Security is set to receive $450 million in appropriations in aid, refers to government revenue collected from specific sources such as fines and fees, which is used directly by ministries instead of being placed on the general budget. Now people, to me, this headline make it seem like it's a money-making thing, and to be honest, that's how it look like, you see me? It look like, say, the man them a try for meet some sort of quota, you know, if you understand what I'm saying. But let's move on to the next part of the article. It goes on to further state the portion earmarked for the ministry will be used for general maintenance and minor repairs of police stations across the island. Additionally, $400 million has been allocated to the Ministry of Justice for maintenance and refurbishment of courthouses. The Ministry of Science, Energy and Telecommunications and Transport will receive $45 million for public relations and communications, following a cabinet decision on November 25, 2024, approving the use of traffic ticket revenue for this purpose, something that had never been done before. Another $136 million has been set aside to promote and develop the transport sector. 2 budget cycles ago, in 2023-2024, appropriations in aid from traffic ticket fines was budgeted at $635 million. The amount now moved to $800 million in the 2024-2025 budget period, which ends in March 31st. The government is projecting spending of $1.3 trillion for the fiscal year 2025-26. Nah, but lie, with all these terms like revenue and fiscal year, it sounds to me like it's a more of a money-making thing. Here are some examples of some of the tickets and fines motorists have been receiving. Look on your screen. $10,000 fine for a missing lug nut from the left wheel. Now, I understand them could have argued, say, alright, missing lug nut, so it's not safe because the wheel can drop off and, you know, cause an accident, but $10,000 kind of steep for me, but me kind of make them get to it, that one. But I want to know if you look on that one here now. Driver seen driving while eating a sandwich. $2,500 fine. You can't make this up, people. Driver seen driving while eating a sandwich. I'm not even gonna say nothing much more. Just take a look on that next clip here and you see how the thing gets serious, you know.
Me have the original gear stick and put on back in.
Sir, don't talk about when it comes to you. I said to you that you should not do any modification to your gear stick. I said to you that the vehicle will be impounded and it will be examined tomorrow. Isn't that what I said to you? What else do you need me to explain?
And when I said to you, sir, we not have to waste time.
No, don't tell me you don't have to waste time.
We not have to waste time for a record, so. Me can't carry down a Spanish Town Station or anywhere you want.
No,
we waste record.
Police
Yeah, Chief. Yeah, Chief, go. Yeah.
Motorists, my advice to you is to be careful and drive safe on the road because the government have to reach this 1 billion by any means necessary. Now, we're going to touch into our next topic, and this topic is quite serious. It's actually very spooky if you really think about it. Now, let's read the article together. A 40-year-old Jamaica Defense Force soldier is being probed after his reported accidental shooting of his girlfriend on Crescent Road in Kingston 10 on Monday evening. The 25-year-old injured woman has since been hospitalized. Information reaching Observer Online is that around 6:30 p.m. the soldier and his girlfriend were at the location when an argument developed between them. The argument escalated, the police said, and the woman threw stones and bottles at her boyfriend. The soldier reportedly pulled his licensed firearm out of fear of his life. Further reports indicated that the lawman slipped during the incident and accidentally discharged a round from the weapon, hitting his girlfriend in the leg. Now the injured woman has been taken into hospital where she is being treated for a gunshot injury to her right leg. The police say they are conducting further investigations. Now people, anybody will believe that story there? Them not have much sense. Them would have be, as a Sir P would have said,
these people are vile.
You see me? Anyways, on to the next topic. Haitian man killed by his countryman in Portland. What is do, Father God? The police in Portland have launched a probe into the circumstances which resulted in the death of a Haitian man during a dispute in Windsor Forest on Sunday night. It's reported that a dispute developed between two Haitian men outside a bar when one man punched the other in the face. The man reportedly fell and hit the back of his head on the asphalt. Attempts to revive him were unsuccessful. He was taken to Port Antonio Hospital where he died while undergoing treatment. It's believed that the men are a part of a group of Haitians who entered Jamaica illegally last year and have been hiding in the area. Now people, I want to know if you share your thoughts on that in the comment section below. Anyway, that's it for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Also, I just created a Patreon, so please support the channel on Patreon. Anyways, you don't know, Birdnation, stay sharp.